James Hilliard here for Connection, and on a recent artificial intelligence and manufacturing webinar, I had a chance to talk to Ryan Spur, and he really neatly summed up what AI can do for manufacturers. He also talked about whether AI is future tech or whether it's ready for prime time.
What we're trying to do is make sure that we can keep this facility operational 24/7. We can reduce and eliminate as many defects as possible. And we can also try to make sure that we build in other AI in other aspects of our organization, like our IT infrastructure. And one of the areas that people aren't really cognizant of, perhaps, is even AI starting to find its way into our cybersecurity suites and our networking platforms. And so, whether it's building on top of IoT initiatives, whether it's making our machinery more efficient and driving better OEE outcomes, AI has a lot of offerings that are commercially available today, and most organizations haven't actually adopted those yet. So there's some really great areas in which a manufacturing organization can start their artificial intelligence journey, and then they can build some of that cultural and skill set abilities to move on to the next level.
If you would like to view the entire archive of the Artificial Intelligence in Manufacturing webinar, you can find it online at connection.com/manufacturing.